Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making these delicious sweet potato chips. It's very easy to put together, so let's get right into the video. So here I have my sweet potato. I'm going to peel and cut into the size that I prefer. So after cutting, I'm going to rinse it properly. Then I will go in with some turmeric. Then I'm going to mix this together. So after mixing, I'm going to add some salt. So after adding some salt, I'll mix all together. Then I will allow this to rest for 15 minutes. Yeah. So I added turmeric because I want the potato to come out very fine. Yes. So after 15 minutes, we are going to stir again, then strain out the water. So after straining out the water, we are just going to start frying. Okay, you can see how beautiful the potato came out. So I will now go in with some oil into my fry pan. Then I'll allow it to hot a little. Then I will start frying. So the next thing I did was to add some water. I added that water because I want the sweet potato to be nicely cooked and fried. Okay, so I'm just going to stir, then allow it to fry until it's golden brown. But I will keep stirring so that it will not get burnt. Okay. At this point, our sweet potato is nicely cooked and fried. So I'm going to take it off the heat. I will transfer it into the a paper towel to drain out the excess oil. So guys, if you're watched to this extent, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. So after taking out this first batch, I'm just going to add the rest of the potato into the pan. We are going to fry until we are done. Okay, so I added the potato into the oil, then go in with some water. So I'm going to fry until it's golden brown, just like this. So at this point, we are done frying our sweet potato. Guys, look how beautiful this came out, and it was so yummy. So what will you be eating this with? Is it pepper sauce, egg sauce, or what? I ate mine with egg sauce, and it was so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and turn on your bell icon if you have not done so yet. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.